Hey guys, today we are playing another brand new game. Okay, so, but of course we're not about Roblox again. What about what about no, I don't. Let me just search. Wait, I know football. It's basically a football. Just for you. A real football. I never lost with the I was just gonna type I to see what's me. I mean I never lost at the end. Let's get into animal hospital. Okay, why should I plus some speed keeper except animal hospital? Wait, let's run this. Ooh, so cool. Guys, I just got stuck. I just pressed every button. Like, oh wait, now I can't get out again. I'm gonna have to press every button on my keyboard to get out. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You just keep it I'm gonna check if it's oh god. Yeah, it's not my keyboard is not working. My keyboard is actually not working. My keyboard is not I don't know why. Okay. At least it did make a good. At least it might be a bit more stuff and stop. That's something I'm favorite. I love to be okay. No one post by the way. Gone. But but one bye. Bye.